Hello, scientists. How are you on this wonderful Monday? That's great. A lot of you are having a good day today. Me too. I've been so excited to share what we were going to learn about this week. Would you like to hear what theme we'll be studying? Yeah? Okay, great, because I'm so excited. This week, we're going to be paleontologists. Aren't you excited? Oh, you don't know what a paleontologist is. My bad. A paleontologist is a scientist that studies these animals. What are these animals called? That's right, these are dinosaurs. I've been so excited to study these now extinct animals. Are you excited to learn about them? That's great. Well, let's get started. We're going to start our time by learning what question we'll answer over the next 2 days. This question was submitted by a scientist at Francis Scott Key Elementary, and they asked, how are dinosaurs real? How do some have club tails, and how are they mutant-like? This question seemed like a really interesting one, so I'm thrilled to learn more by answering it. Why don't we write down the first part of that question? How are dinosaurs real? You can grab your science notebook to follow along with me. I'm going to write the question while you do that. And today, I'm going to use my black marker. How are dinosaurs real? Question mark. How are dinosaurs real? Well, I hope you were able to keep up. Let's start answering our question. In my research, I found that dinosaurs are reptiles. Do you know what reptile means? Some scientists do and some don't. Reptiles are animals that are cold-blooded, breathe air, and have scales and plates. Do you know any animals that are reptiles? Yes. Snakes, alligators, and turtles are reptiles. I'm going to put them under my definition of reptiles. So I heard snakes, and turtles. And I hope my scientists noticed the little snake I drew. You know, I should also add dinosaurs since I just shared that they're reptiles, or they were reptiles. Dinosaurs are like all other reptiles and follow their same life cycle. They start off as eggs, and when they come out, they're hatchlings. So cute. After that, they're baby dinosaurs, and some of the parents stay with their young, but that amount of time varies between different kinds of dinosaurs. After they're babies, they become adult dinosaurs. And then they continue the life cycle by laying more eggs. How cool. Apparently though, not all eggs would make it in their first year. Most dinosaurs would lose a good amount of their eggs to predators, usually other dinosaurs. Yeah, you heard me. Dinosaurs eat dinosaur eggs and sometimes even each other. But we'll talk more about that on Wednesday. That's why it was really important for dinosaurs to have strong defenses. Some dinosaurs had spikes and plates on their backs. And let's check out some dinos that I have here while we think about how those things can help them. So as we can see, this dinosaur has a lot of, I wouldn't say spikes, but it definitely has a lot of sharp features along its back. Oof. And this one isn't necessarily sharp. Ooh, this guy's having a hard time. This one's not sharp, but it looks like I wouldn't want to touch that. And this one's really big. These ones have really scary looking fan-like backs, but I don't know how that would help them defend themselves, especially this one that's missing a leg. Well, what do you think, paleontologists? How could spikes and plates help a dino defend itself? Oh, interesting. They're probably sharp so that they could be hard to eat. I wonder if that would feel like eating a big cactus. That reminds me of when we were learning about animal defenses. Good thinking. I wonder why a dinosaur would have a clubbed tail then. What do you think? You're not sure either. Well, let me think. Clubs are like heavier hammers that were used to knock things down or for hunting animals. Knowing that, how could a club tail help a dinosaur defend itself? Oh, I agree. It could attack another dinosaur and knock it out. It's kind of scary, but that's how animals eat. These dinosaurs are so interesting, paleontologists. I'm so excited that we're studying them, but we'll have to pause here for today. Our time is almost up. I wanted to take some time to tell you about something you'll need for tomorrow. So if you want to continue learning about dinos with me, I want to do a small project to show something interesting about their bodies. If you would like to do the project with me, you'll need marshmallows and straws, plastic ones preferably. If you don't have that, you can use spaghetti. But if you can't get those materials by tomorrow, you could just write them down and write the steps, and you could try it out on your own time. Well, paleontologists, thank you for learning about dinosaurs with me. I can't wait to see you again tomorrow.